Hey everyone, welcome back to Future Fuel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of automobiles. Today, we're diving deep into the refreshed and upgraded 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, a compact SUV that's making waves with its sleek design, cutting-edge features, and enhanced driving dynamics. Buckle up because this one's a game-changer. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc stands out in the compact SUV market with a bold and refined design. Up front, the SUV boasts an updated grille with striking LED matrix headlights that seamlessly blend into the design, creating a futuristic and premium look. The sculpted hood and aerodynamic lines add a touch of aggression, while the new alloy wheel designs give it a sporty start. At the back, the T-Roc features sharper tail lights with dynamic indicators, a redesigned bumper, and chrome accents that enhance its sophistication. Whether you're cruising through city streets or parked in your driveway, the T-Roc demands attention. Step inside, and you'll find a cabin that blends luxury with practicality. Volkswagen has upped the ante with premium materials, including soft-touch surfaces and optional leather upholstery. The 2025 model introduces a larger 1025-inch digital cockpit display, paired with a high-resolution 12-inch infotainment system that supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Ambient lighting allows you to set the mood, while the redesigned center console adds a more intuitive layout for controls. Rear passengers enjoy ample legroom, and the cargo space is generous, making it perfect for road trips or daily errands. Under the hood, the 2025 T-Roc offers multiple engine options to suit a variety of driving needs. The base model comes with a turbocharged 1.5-liter TSI engine, delivering efficient performance with around 150 horsepower. For those seeking a bit more excitement, there's a 2.6-liter CSI engine option, offering up to 190 horsepower and all-wheel drive for enhanced traction and handling. Volkswagen has also improved the T-Roc's suspension and steering, ensuring a smooth and responsive ride. With multiple driving modes, you can switch between eco-friendly cruising and sporty adventures with ease. Please take a seat. We will continue our training in the delivery of care. Volkswagen has packed the 2025 T-Roc with the latest tech to keep you connected and safe. The updated infotainment system is intuitive and now includes voice commands for hands-free control. The SUV also features a wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports for all your devices. On the safety front, the T-Roc doesn't hold back. It comes equipped with Volkswagen's IQ Drive Suite, which includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, autonomous emergency braking, and a 360-degree camera system. These features work seamlessly to ensure peace of mind on every journey. Fuel efficiency and sustainability. With a focus on efficiency, the 2025 T-Roc's engines are optimized for better fuel economy and reduced emissions. The mild hybrid technology available in select variants adds an extra layer of sustainability, making the T-Roc a responsible choice in today's eco-conscious world. Please make all cohesive. Volkswagen has ensured that the 2025 T-Roc remains competitive in its pricing. Starting at around $28,000 for the base model, it offers great value for a compact SUV loaded with features. The higher trims, with all-wheel drive and advanced tech options, climb up to $40,000. With its combination of style, performance, and affordability, the T-Roc is positioned to attract a wide range of buyers. The 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc proves that you don't have to compromise between style, performance, and practicality. It's a compact SUV designed for modern drivers who want it all. So, whether you're looking for a reliable daily driver or an adventure-ready companion, the T-Roc has you covered. Thanks for tuning into Future Fuel. If you enjoyed this breakdown of the 2025 Volkswagen T-Roc, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more exciting automotive content. Stay fueled and see you in the next video.